Hey there, Reggie here over at Awesome Chevy Buick in Chehalis, and today we're going to be going over some of the safety features on your brand new Buick Enclave. So with the Driver Confidence Plus package, you get your forward collision alert and following distance indicator, as well as lane departure warning and lane keep assist, and then in your mirrors, the blind spot indicators. So the lane keep assist can be toggled on and off. With the lane keep assist, it can detect if you're veering out of your lane and give you a slight correction and keep you in the center of your lane. The forward collision alert is located on the left side of the steering wheel, and you can toggle between your following distance, which will give you an alert at 3 car lengths, 2 car lengths, and 1 car length if you're in like stop and go traffic, but you can toggle through that and adjust it as you need to. Thanks again for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.